In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pipedrive deal when a Facebook ad form is submitted. This process is smooth and straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly capturing leads from your Facebook ads right into your Pipedrive CRM. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Pipedrive, open your browser, and log into your Pipedrive account where you'll be handling your deals. Once you're there, look towards the top of the interface for three small dots. Click on these dots to open a menu. It's from this menu that we access additional settings and features that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option for the marketplace. Select Marketplace, and it will redirect you to a place where you can integrate various apps and services with Pipedrive. The marketplace is a robust collection of integrations that can simplify and enhance your workflow by connecting external platforms and tools to Pipedrive, saving you time and effort in managing multiple applications separately. Next, in the search bar within the marketplace, type in Facebook. We're searching for the Facebook Lead Ad Sync app, an essential tool for this integration. Once you've entered the search term, press enter and you should see a list of results. Look for the option labeled Facebook Lead Ad Sync and click on it. After selecting Facebook Lead Ad Sync, you'll see an option labeled Authorize. This is a crucial step as it ensures your Facebook lead forms can securely connect with Pipedrive. Click on Authorize to proceed, follow any additional authentication steps that might pop up, linking your Facebook ads account seamlessly with your Pipedrive account. Once authorized, click on Pipedrive within the integration setup. This will prompt you to review the permissions that you're granting. Read through any information carefully, and when you're ready, click on Agree. Agreeing to these permissions allows the integration to function correctly, ensuring that your leads are automatically transferred from Facebook to Pipedrive. The next step involves connecting your Facebook lead forms with Pipedrive. Look for the option that says Connect Facebook Lead Forms. By selecting this, you're ensuring that anytime someone fills out a form on one of your Facebook ads, the information will flow directly into your Pipedrive account, creating a new deal automatically. And with that, you're all set. From now on, every submission to your Facebook ad forms will be captured as a Pipedrive deal, streamlining your lead management process and allowing you to focus more on refining your sales strategy rather than on manual data entry. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your leads and improves your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching.